Dear friends, greetings to all. The topic now is the sampling distribution. This is in the chapter Theory of Sampling or Sampling Theory. This sampling distribution is normally confused by all faculty and teachers also. Faculty and students also. That means sampling distribution is nothing but the different samples, distribution of different characters of samples. For example, a researcher is going to study a phenomenon. In one stage, the researcher collected data from 100 respondents. In another stage, he selected 50 respondents, another 50 respondents, and collected data. In another situation, 75 respondents. Or the respondents may be equal number, 100 at one stage, 100 at another stage, 100 at another stage. Like that, 5 or 6 or 10, on the basis of this capability and interest and the time factor and finance factor, the number of sampling means number of times of doing sample to be determined. Suppose the researcher is taking 10 times the researcher is collecting data from same number of sample or different number of respondents. And it gives, suppose 10 means 10 arithmetic mean and 10 standard deviation. And the distribution of all these 10 is called sampling distribution. Now you might have understood that. So that character revealed by each sampling may be arithmetic mean and standard deviation, or maybe it may be F distribution, or it may be I-square distribution, or the sampling distribution of proportion. So I may repeat once again, sampling distribution of mean, that is already I told. The distribution of proportion, that is how many 10% is like this, 90% is like that, and that is proportion, that is employment in a locality, means from the educated 60% employed and 40% unemployed, that is called proportion. This also some 10 or 15 or 20 may be taken according to the interest of the researcher. Then students T distribution, T test is also in giving some result that is having some formula that you can study later. F distribution means related to ANOVA, that F test we are calling. Then about the I-square distribution. I-square is also giving distribution related to tossing of coins. That distribution would be how it is. How many times it is repeated. The sampling, conduct of sampling, how many times it is repeated will be revealing. One example I am telling, I wish to tell. In the first I told 10 different times. There were 10 arithmetic mean, 10 x bar, that is x bar 1, x bar 2, x bar 3 until x bar 10. So average of this can be taken, means grand mean we can got x double bar. That means total of all x bar divided by 10, grand mean. Like that, standard deviation for this can also be calculated. Thereby one can able to find out their correctness in collecting the data. If all one situation, the marks of students or the intelligent test has been conducted, marks in the score is 75, in another time it was 69, in another time 71, another time 69, like that, another time 74. Like that means the same. Fluctuating means then there is doubt in the conducting of the interview and collection of data. Some case 71, in another time you got 55, in another time 69, in another time you got 95, then fluctuation. So reliability of your work is to be doubtful case. Okay. These are all sampling distribution. Thank you very much.